dragons soaring into the sky, a giant rabbit heading towards the moon. In Shanghai's iconic Yu Garden, a lantern fair is being held to celebrate the coming Chinese New Year. And this year, many of the lanterns are inspired by ancient Chinese mythologies.
The theme of the Lantern Fair this year comes from China's ancient book Shanghai, or the classic of the mountains and seas. The book itself offers a fantastic world of imagination for our creations.
The classic of the mountains and seas has many auspicious animals from ancient times, and now some of them have become the lanterns at Yu Garden. They are scattered around Jiuqu Bridge, or the Bridge of Nine Turnings. All tourists will walk through the bridge for a better view of the lanterns and also to symbolically walk away the twists and turns of the coming year. The unique design has made this year's Lantern Fair an instant success, and as the country relaxes travel restrictions, the tourist numbers coming to the garden has already recovered to the same level as before the COVID-19 pandemic.
The atmosphere of New Year here is quite good. I also bought this rabbit lamp.
This reminds me of my childhood memory coming to the Yu Garden. I saw many girls wearing hanfu or clothes with traditional designs. It makes me feel this is another rise of traditional Chinese culture.
To provide a much more immersive experience, the organizers have also come up with ways to make the Lantern Fair more than just a visual feast.
We put a lot of effort into an immersive experience this year. We have a lot of NPCs who dress up as street vendors, rabbit fairies, flower gods, etc. They will interact with visitors. We've also made some breakthroughs in innovations in technology. By scanning the QR code, you will be able to see the auspicious birds and dragons flying in the night sky.
The Lantern Fair will last for almost 2 months until February 15th. And more tourists are expected to visit during the Spring Festival holiday.